The MNN M156F01 Portable Monitor delivers a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display in a slim, lightweight design, perfect for work, gaming, and entertainment with easy plug-and-play connectivity anywhere you go. What's in the box? In the box, you find the MNN M156F01 Portable Monitor, USB-C charge cable, HDMI cable, magnetic cover and stand, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. The MNN M156F01 Portable Monitor performs impressively with both USB-C and HDMI connections. Using a single USB-C cable with a MacBook provides enough power to run the monitor smoothly, while the display delivers deep black levels, sharp text, and vibrant visuals even in 1080p mode. During testing with the EZO Monitor tool, the screen showed excellent sharpness, clean gradients, wide viewing angles, and solid color uniformity without noticeable issues. When switching to the HDMI to mini HDMI setup with an external 40-watt power adapter, the monitor became noticeably brighter and more vibrant, with evenly distributed brightness and richer contrast, creating a more OLED-like viewing experience. HDR mode also enhanced video playback, making colors pop even more, while the built-in speakers handled audio directly from the monitor. Smart features? Ultra-slim and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and perfect for travel, work, or gaming setups. Its portable build allows you to set up a second screen anywhere without adding bulk to your bag. Single-cable USB-C connectivity allows both power and display through one simple connection for a clean setup. It offers quick plug-and-play use with compatible devices, reducing the need for extra cables or adapters. HDMI connectivity ensures easy connection with laptops, consoles, and other devices for flexible use. It supports a wide range of devices, making it simple to extend or mirror your screen anywhere. HDR support enhances contrast and color depth, making visuals look more vivid and lifelike. It improves overall picture quality for movies, gaming, and multimedia with richer details in bright and dark scenes. 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display delivers sharp 1080p visuals with clear detail and smooth image quality. It offers wide viewing angles and vibrant colors for an immersive experience in work, gaming, and entertainment. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the MNN M156F01 Portable Monitor from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your MNN M156F01 Portable Monitor. See you at the next one.